The Leganto reading list tool makes it easier to manage course readings in Brightspace. In this demonstration, I will publish and share a reading list and show what it looks like from the student perspective. So we're looking at the tool from within a Brightspace course, and you're able to see that I have a single list that has all the readings for my course in one place for students. And within each section, I can put different types of content. So you'll see I have a book, an article, a book chapter, and then I can also use notes and tags to make my expectations clear for each individual reading. To add more items, click on the Add Items button, and there's a few different options. We'll do the library search, which allows you to pull content from the library's collection. So I'll type in the title of my article. And once the search results appear, you'll be able to drag and drop to the place you want it in your list, or choose from this drop down and select the section that you want to place it in. And when your list is complete, you can share it with students by publishing it. So in addition to creating this list inside your Brightspace course, this also can be viewed from outside Brightspace. If you open the reading list options and click Create a Shareable Link, now you have a URL that you can share with, say, colleagues or on a CV or something. Okay, now I will show the student perspective. So also from the reading list options, you can view the list as a student. And so everything for the whole course is here in one place, and it's easy to get to full text by clicking this View Online link, and the article opens. So students have the option to, search the list, or use the filters to, look at different sections, or use the tags to say, view only the optional readings, or limit it to ones that they haven't read yet. So while you do have a lot of different options for sharing resources, so for example, you could link to specific sections of the list within the course itself, there's some benefits to making all resources available in a single list. So this can help students understand what your expectations are, and they know where to find their readings. And then also, if students want to go back and reread something, they don't need to dig through all the weeks of the course. They know exactly where they can come to the reading list here. So if you'd like to get started trying out this tool, you can go to the library's Quick Start Guide, where we've laid out a few steps for how to get this up and running in your Brightspace course. The URL for this is xula.libguides.com/Leganto reading list. Thank you.